Good morning, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Yes.
Right now it's 52. Should I start now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to our PNC educational channel, in which we are doing a revision for the 8th standard, whatever we have done in our last academic year, and which is very useful in order to understand the concepts of mathematics in higher class. So it is very important that we should revise all those aspects which is going to be used again and again at every interval of time. So hope you have practiced the yesterday's problems that I gave you, and you have solved each and every problems that is given in the textbook. So without wasting any time now, let's continue with next practice set, in which we are going to have the formula that I have given you yesterday as a cube plus b cube. Formula for a cube plus b cube is a plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula that we are going to use in this practice set. Very simple. Just we have to take a plus b in the first bracket, and when after that multiply to a square minus ab plus. Actually, this can be easily derived. If you want, I can derive it for you. Let's derive the formula. How do we got this formula as a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So let's start with its derivation. As we know, the formula for it is visible here. I will write the formula here. A plus b the whole cube. Now formula for a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. Now, after rearranging, what we can do, we can write this as a cube plus b cube. I've written a cube and b cube together, plus what common we can see in these two terms. We can see that 3ab is common. So after taking 3ab common, what do we get? A plus b. From here, after taking, or you can write this as 3ab into a, means the same, and this as 3ab into b. Not visible. So after this, what we can do is we can interchange the sides. Means you can write it as, that is, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to a plus b the whole cube. So this is clear. Now, we want formula for a cube plus b cube. So keeping this on one side and taking rest of the terms on other side. You can write it as a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube, taking 3ab into a plus b on right hand side. It will take a sign of negative, minus 3ab into a plus b. Hope this is clear. Now, what is our observation? Our observation is that a plus b is present in both the terms. So we can take a plus b common, right? A plus b, and in bracket what remains? A plus b the, after taking one a plus b common, a plus b the whole square remains, minus 3ab remains. So after this, a plus b, just open the bracket. You can solve this as a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab. Now, we are having 2ab, we are having minus 3ab. So when it comes to calculation, 2 minus 3, what is the answer? Minus 1. Plus minus, minus sign of a greatest number. So sign of a greatest number is minus. So I got minus 1. Minus 1, but take a negative sign of a greatest number. So a plus b into, it got reduced to a square plus b square minus ab. So by rearranging, as I have given you the formula, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b and bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Done. We are through. So in this way, we have derived a formula which is going to be used in this practice set. Very important. Try to understand each and every step, which is very much required. You can understand the steps, and after all, while solving the problem, we just need to apply the formulas. How we got the formula that we need to study earlier, which I've done now. Now, while solving a problem, just we need to remember how this can be broken up. A cube plus b cube, just convert the any given expression in this form, a cube plus b cube. If you're not having that expression, you won't be able to apply. So your first intention is to just break the given expression in this a cube plus b cube form and then execute it. I hope you have understood this formula. Let's move to the problem solving part. Yeah. So, sorry. First, we will be taking a very basic example so that it will be easier for you to understand. First example, x cube plus 27y cube. Now, our observation is that We are having x cube, we are having y cube, but this 27 is creating a problem. Now, I have asked you yesterday to do the homework as square of numbers and cube of numbers. So hope you have done that. So which numbers, after taking its cube, you get 27? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. And 3 square is 9. Okay. 3 into 3 is 9. And again, if we multiply with 3, what are we going to get? We're going to get 27. So 9 threes are 27. Okay. So we got 27. Means we can write this 27 as 3 raised to 3 law of indices. So let's apply this. We can write this as x cube plus 3 cube y cube. So we can write this as x cube. Now again here law of indices. Which rule? I'm expecting answer from your side. Which rule I have taken? A raised to n, b raised to n. This is nothing but a into b whole raised to n. This is the rule I have used here. Okay. So now we can see that we are having an expression in the form a cube plus b cube. So this can be written as a plus b means x plus 3y and in bracket x square minus x into 3y plus 3y whole square. So x plus 3y. This is x square minus 3xy plus 3 square is 9y square. So this was one of the simplest problem based on the formula that we have derived, that is a cube plus b cube. Not a big deal. Here we have applied the rule, that is same rule. 3 square y square. 3 square is 9, so I've written it y square. And all other terms are as it is. Okay. This is a rule of the type a into b is same as b into a. So I've written as per our convenience. So if you want that, you can write it as 3yx. Yeah, even that will do. X into 3y, but we always write coefficient at the start, so we write it as 3xy. Okay, let's move to next problem now. Let's take another example. Very simple. You'll be able to solve this. X cube plus 64y cube. X cube can be written as x cube plus 64 can be written as, yeah, it is a cube of, yeah, answer should be from your side. It is a cube of 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 4 cube into y raised to cube or y cube x cube plus, you can write this as 4y the whole cube. This is nothing but x cube. And now you can apply a directly formula, no need to write again cube. A cube plus b cube. So b is 4y. If you are having some confusion, you can just correlate with a equal to x and b equal to 4y if you want. Now just apply the formula, that is a plus b, that is x plus 4y into x square in the sense a square minus a into b. What is your a? Is x and b is 4y, okay, plus b square, so plus 4y square. This is equal to x plus 4y, and here what we are having, x square minus 4 into xy plus 4 square is 16. 4 4s are. Those who have done completed homework will be getting things easily, and those who have not completed, they should work hard and should complete the homework on time so that the next lecture becomes easier for you. So whatever we got is the application of the formula. Now we take bit different problem, as we have done coefficient with y. Now we'll be taking coefficient with x. Hope you have completed this. So next example, say 125 p cube plus q cube. First of all, nothing difficult now. If you know the cube of numbers, you are through. If you don't know, just calculate it. 5 ones are normal. We know that 4 cube is 64. So next number, we should try for next number, because till 4 or less than 4, any number won't give you 125. So go for, provided it should be positive. So you will say it's a minus 5 cube. Yeah, minus 5 cube, it will give you 125, but at the same time, it's going to give you minus. So it won't be applicable here. So this can be written as 5 cube p cube plus q cube. So this can be written as 5p the whole cube of indices again plus q cube. Now formula for this is 5p plus q into 5p square minus 5p into q. Try to recollect the formula. I'm writing directly. Plus q square of this step is clear. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. This is 5p plus q into 25p square minus 5pq if you won't get this step, then you can write pi square p square, and after that you can write the square of a number. Even that step will do. This is nothing but you are extending one step. When you get the same answer, even this will do. I'm teaching you each and every aspect, whichever you feel comfortable with. You can take that. Even that will give you correct answer. Even this step is going to give you correct answer. Only thing, it is going to increase one more step. Those students find this step easy, they can follow this, no problem. Those who feel directly from this step to this step, if you write, then you write, no problem. Minus 5pq plus q square. Done. So even we have completed the number with coefficient, means non-unit coefficient of the first term present. So here we were having 125. Now we will move to a problem in which both the terms will be having a coefficient. Hope you have copied this. Yeah, next problem is 125kq plus 27m cubed. Now, how we can write this? Just what you have to do, just find the cube of a number. You can write this as pi cube k cube plus 3 cube m cube. Pi cube is 125. We have seen in earlier problem. And 3 cube is 27. We have done this. Now, you can write this as pi k the whole cube plus 3m the whole cube. Now you can apply, you can see that this is nothing but a cube plus b cube. So what is the formula for a cube plus b cube? The formula for a cube plus b cube is 5k plus 3m, means a. Now go for its second bracket, that is 5k square minus 5k into 3m plus 3m square. This is 5k plus 3m, and here 5k square can be written as 25k square. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 square is 9. You can write direct, or again you can use the steps what we have done in our earlier problem, that is 9m square, or else if you're not getting, then what you can do, pi square k square. Apply law of indices. Here you can write it as 3 square m square. 3 square m square. Now what you can do, pi k plus 3m bracket, you can write it as 25 k square minus 15 km plus 3 square is 9m square. So this step is clear, and we are done with the problem. Please copy it down. Just go through each and every step. We are just applying the formula that we know, doing a proper execution. In the sense, you should know the square of a number, you should know cube of a number. Then only you will be comfortable with this type of a problem. If you are having confusion in square and cube of a number, then it will become difficult. The problems will become difficult for you. Okay. So our next problem. Now we'll be dealing with a problem in which direct cube of a number won't be there. We need to simplify the number, then convert it to cube form, then apply the formula. We can easily understand the steps. Better if we take some example. Let's take an example. We're having an example 24a cube plus 81b cube now you can see that what is our observation? 24 is not a cube of any number, because 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Now it is more than 24. So we need to think on this. And 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. This is greater than 81. So what should be done so that we can convert the given coefficient to its cube form. So what should be done? This is expected. You should try, or you should rely on that faculty will solve it. We will solve, no doubt. But at the same time, we're expecting some answers from you so that even your understanding will develop. If cube of a number is not given directly, what we need to do, we just need to try to convert. If we can find some common number between them, let's write this as, if we can write this as 3 into 8 a cube plus here also 3 into 27 b cube. We can write it as 3 into 8a cube plus 3 into 27b cube. Our observation is that 3 is common in both. So we can write it as 3 into 8a cube plus 27b cube. Now we can see that it has taken the form of a expression that we have done before this problem. So not that difficult if you understand and get the points, proper execution. Always our intention is to get a cube plus b. Anyhow, by hook or crook, if you can do that adjustment, means you're through. If you won't be able to do that adjustment, means you have to lose the marks, and your understanding is not up to the mark. You have to work or give some more effort so that you can reach there. So you can write this as 3 into 2 cube a cube plus 3 cube b cube, and this is 3 into 2a cube plus 3b cube. So 3 into, now you can apply the formula. What is the formula? A cube plus b cube. You know the formula. So I'm writing things in square bracket as we are having 3 outside. So this is 2a plus 3b, and in bracket 2a square minus 2 into 3b plus 3b squared. After taking the bracket, I have to take a square bracket. It separates it from 3. Hope you have understood this. I will write this, and I write that step. This is nothing but 3 times in a bracket, 2a plus 3b as it is. Bracket 2a square means square a square minus 2 3s are 6ab plus 9b square. And you can write it 3 square as we have written here 2 square. So hope you have understood the problem. We are almost done. After this, we'll be taking cube in fractional form. We are through. 3 into 2a plus 3b. Here this is nothing but 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square. Done. Okay. So let's move to the next problem. Hope you have understood the step. If you're saying yes, sir, can we write this 3 together with this term without removing, means without bracket or removing the bracket? Yes, you can write, because you know that A into B into C can be written as ABC or BAC or BCA. They are almost the same. So I can write this as 3 into 2a plus 3b in a bracket, 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square. Yes, we are through. No doubts. Now, let's copy it down. Very important problem. It's going to be useful in your higher classes, in any of the higher classes you go. Always you should remember this formula. Let's do a problem in which we are having a fraction term involved or the same form. So let's write next example. Say we are having y cube plus 1 upon 8 y cube. You can write this as y cube plus 1 upon, it can be written as 2 cube. This is y cube. This is y cube plus, now you can write this as 1 upon 2y the whole cube. Yeah, 1 cube is 1. So doesn't make any difference. I've written or I've used the form of law of indices a by b raised to n, a raised to n upon b raised to n. So 1 cube is 1, so I can write 1 cube as well. So I apply this formula, you'll get this form. So after this, go for the formula. What formula says a plus b is y upon y plus 1 upon 2y into y square minus y into 1 upon 2y plus 1 by 2 the whole square, 1 by 2y the whole square. If it is creating a confusion, you can write here small multiplication. So this can be further written as y plus 1 upon 2y. You can see that same term present in numerator and denominator with multiplication sign in between. So y gets cancelled. So what we'll be having y square minus 1 upon 2 remains plus 1 upon, I should write 2 square y square, but 2 square y square is 4y square. Hope you have understood this. We are done with this example. Now last example in which we'll be having coefficient in numerator and variable in denominator. Another type of problem you can solve it. To try each and every problem of this type so that your concept gets more clearer. And you should be ready for your next class now. With more clear concepts. And your thinking ability will increase as you solve more and more problems. Next example, a cube plus 8 upon a cube. This can be written as a cube plus, we know that it can be written as 2 cube upon a cube. So we can write this as a cube plus 2 upon a the whole cube. So now what formula says? Formula says that a cube plus 2 by a the whole cube can be written as, this is a plus b. A plus b into, first term is a, so a square minus a into 2 by a plus 2 by a the whole square. So this is a plus 2 by a. Here you can see that a is present in numerator as well as in denominator. I've cancelled a. What remains? A square minus 2 plus 2 square is 4, means 2 square upon a square. So this is the expected final answer that we're expecting. So hope you have understood this our problem. So Now I will introduce you next formula, and that you should try it as a homework evaluation of that, as I have derived the formula for a cube plus b cube. I have to similarly derive the formula for a cube minus b cube. I will introduce the formula and then we will execute some problems based on that. So here is the formula for you. Next class will solve problem based on this and just introducing. And if you want, I will be doing some initial steps so that remaining steps you can solve it by yourself. You can reach to the conclusion. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This is a formula. As we know, the formula for a minus b the whole cube, just write the formula for this. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So we can write it as a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So a cube minus b cube, and here we can take what common we have done in deriving the problem of a cube plus b cube. Similarly, we have to take 3ab common here. Here remains, and bracket as we are closing the bracket and minus with minus sign outside. So the internal sign will change. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Right now here it's, you can see that we are having addition sign. So it will get converted to minus. And after that, you know what to do. Taking this term on left hand side, rearranging them, and reaching to the conclusion. So you can see that this is the formula. You should remember this formula. We'll be solving problems based on this formula, as well as we'll be solving a combination of problems. That is taking a simplification form, a cube plus b cube along with a cube minus b cube, merging them together. So in order to execute that concept, I want that you should revise whatever we have done today and this formula so that you can easily understand the concepts in our next lecture. So we will stop here. Yes, thank you everyone.
Thank you, Dharmendra sir. Okay, students, we'll be having a 5 minutes break over here and we'll meet for the next lecture, that is